Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys developer option guys, how can we disable. Friends, you don't want to use guys your phone developer option mode guys, you want to disable it. And friends, you don't know where is guys your developer option setting and how to disable. So don't worry guys, in this video I will show you, then guys you can disable easily your developer option setting. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting I scroll it, and friends you can see guys your phone system setting guys, click on guys your phone system setting guys. Friends, if system setting guys, you can find guys your developer option setting guys, tap here. So as you can see developer option is enabled, so guys we will disable means off. So guys you can see after disable guys we cannot use guys this setting, and guys when we will come back a developer option will remove on your screen. Wait and watch. You can check guys, developer option will remove on your screen guys, we cannot use. Guys, you want to use guys, you want to enable again, so you will have to again enable from guys your my phone setting. So tap guys 7 time build number, then guys you can enable again your developer option setting and you can use it. So bye guys.